This is your News Minute for Friday, April 19th. A deadly car crash in front of the Del Norte High School campus was part of a realistic simulation called Every 15 Minutes. Students reenacted a DUI crash as well as the after effects, including a funeral, sentencing, and prison time for the driver. The two-day assembly is an effort to encourage students to make good decisions during and after high school and realize that their decisions can impact many lives. Celebration of Us at Design 39 campus is a week-long event leading up to their international fair, Passport 39, this weekend. Students were invited to spend their school lunchtime experiencing crafts, activities, games, and story time, all focused on celebrating different cultures, countries, and languages represented on campus. At Midland Elementary School, special guests, including PUSD board members, interim superintendent, Poway's acting mayor, and fire chief, conducted interviews with fifth graders applying for jobs at BizTown. Students created resumes and were asked questions about their skills related to their jobs. Congratulations to Lamis Abousalem, English Language Learner Instructional Assistant at Bernardo Heights Middle School. She's been named San Diego County Classified Employee of the Year. Lamis's application will now move on to the state competition. Keep the magic going, Poway Unified. That was your News Minute.